Welcome to the Pullman Hotel, Aerocity, Delhi. So this is the lovely room I have here at Delhi. As you can see, we're entering through a hallway. And I'm going to show you the nice adequate sized wardrobe with robe included. And then next we have tea and coffee making facilities with a fridge underneath, storage for your luggage. And onto this beautiful open plan bathroom, divine bath, and then that goes straight through to the sleeping area. Lovely bed and mirrored sink. Then we have a toilet and a shower facility as well. So I really do rate this bathroom. You can also close the shutters for more privacy in this bathroom as well. So here I'm walking into the bedroom area. A lovely bed with an ornate headboard. It's very comfy and lovely globe lighting. Really like the colour scheme as well. And we have a lovely little easy chair in the corner and nice thick blackout blinds for darkness. A lovely sized television on an ornate wall. And then a desk area with chair where you could do some work or get ready, eat some food. So yeah, all in all, this is the view long ways of the hotel room. Lovely sized room, great room, and yeah, 10 out of 10 for me.